Meditation is the key to awareness. Okay, so why do I want to be aware? I mean, obviously, if you're watching a video right now or you're awake, you're technically aware. But what I'm talking about when I talk about awareness is basically being aware of what you're thinking, feeling, and doing in every moment, right? That's a very difficult job if you haven't practiced it. It's very hard to not slip back into habitual feelings. Or, if someone's normally a negative person or normally a positive person, for them it's a habit. They're just going to go in the direction that they're going in. But what if you're kind of middle of the road and some days you kind of get taken by what happens to you and it's a bad day, but then the next day something good happens and you get kind of, you surf that wave and everything's wonderful. You're kind of just sort of going with whatever comes in, as opposed to going, you know what, I'm going to create my life on purpose. I'm going to be aware of what it is that I'm feeling and thinking, and I'm going to act in a deliberate way, as opposed to just being taken with what's around me. Okay, so awareness is about going, okay, I'm feeling upset about something right now. Why am I feeling upset? Is it something that's really bothering me? Is it something that I need to work on myself? Did that person just touch on something that I need to work on with me? Or is this little circumstance bothering me because maybe I'm not putting in enough effort? Whatever it is, as soon as you direct that awareness inside and start to think about what it is that you can do to make your own life better, is when you're going to find the answers to make your own life better. And meditation is the key to that. So how do we meditate? Well, there's a lot of different ways to meditate. There's transcendental meditation, there's Kriya Yoga, there's doing regular yoga and just sitting in silence. There's a lot of different ways, but if you've never meditated before, I just want to give you a quick and easy tip to meditate. All you have to do is find a nice quiet place, sit down, cross your legs. You don't have to cross your legs. You could sit in a chair, actually. Just sit straight up, keep yourself nice and straight, close your eyes, and just focus on your breathing. So breathe in, and then breathe out. And then just keep doing that. Just do it for a minute. Start with 1 minute every day of meditation. That's all you have to do. After a week, maybe add another minute and then move it up to 5. Before you know it, you'll be sitting there meditating for 10, 15, 20 minutes, an hour. Now, what's going to happen is ultimately thoughts are going to come in and they're going to try to take you out of your space, right? You're going to start to either worry about what's coming tomorrow or what happened earlier. And here's the trick. As you start to focus on your breath and those thoughts come in, you have to just let them go. Because if you get taken by a thought, your meditation is basically over. As you practice doing this, letting go of the thought that comes in and focusing on the meditation and focusing on your breathing, in real life, when you're not meditating and you're kind of going about your day and something happens, you're going to have more power to be able to be aware of what's going on around you and going, okay, you know what? That isn't important right now. I'm not going to let that affect my peace. And so what that does is it builds every day your ability to be aware of what you're thinking and feeling, and to be in control of what you're thinking and feeling so that you can create your life on purpose.